I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select webhooks. Body. Send all data. Choose request payload. Application/JSON. Give here a webhook link, so go to the Connects-It dashboard. Create Connects-It. Search and drop webhook. Copy the webhook URL and capture the webhook responses, then paste it on the integration site. Go to your form and fill up with data to capture the webhook. Now go to your integration site and test the webhook. Next, finish and save it. Now go to your Connects-It site. Search and drop MailerLite. Choose an action. Choose an account. Choose a group. Choose status. Connect the both fields. Test and review. Publish the integration. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to your MailerLite dashboard. Navigate to the subscribers. Here you can see that the subscriber added successfully in the MailerLite. Thanks for watching.